Today I'm going to show you how to do a cheat 180 hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a cheat 180 hook, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your swing 180 hook, aka tsunami kick, and if you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance looking forward at your target. You're going to bring your cheat leg up and jump off your other leg, turn your body and spot your target, and then throw your hook kick, finishing the move in a backside stance. Now also don't forget to work on this with a follow through at the end, as well as a spin setup in the beginning. And you can also do a spin and a follow through together to kind of just let your body flail all over the place. And I do recommend that you get used to all of these ways of doing it because we are going to be doing them in combinations later on. Now let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. First progression is going to be a cheat hook, just bringing your cheat leg up and throwing your hook kick. It's basically just a normal hook kick starting in a front side stance. And the second progression is going to be a cheat zero hook. The same thing as a cheat hook, but you're actually going to bring your cheat leg up, jump, and then throw your hook kick in the air. Now all we're doing, instead of starting in a backside stance, we're going to be starting in a front side stance, doing your cheat zero hook, but also adding a 180-degree rotation to the move, and that's your cheat 180 hook. Also, when you do this, make sure that you're pushing through the balls of your feet when you jump, and make sure that you're landing on the balls of your feet when you land, and as always, try your best to spot your target. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to thank all the patrons for supporting this channel. It means so much to me to have a group of you guys that just are down for this as much as I is. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into Next, we'll be getting into vanish and skip combos for 180 kicks, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.